Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering down and unplugging the system. This prevents shorts and protects components. Once done, remove the case side and find the HD audio header using the motherboard manual so you know orientation. Make sure the front panel cable is labeled HD audio or HD AUD and locate its pin 1 marker. That alignment matters because the header is keyed. Now position the cable close to the header. Don't plug it yet. Next, you route the cable neatly along the case edge to prevent fan interference and heat exposure. Then align the keyed connector to the header so the pin 1 markers match. This prevents reversed wiring, which would disable front audio. Press evenly and firmly until it seats. Do not rock the connector. Make sure the cable has a little slack and is fastened with a clip or tape so the header isn't stressed. Once connected, double-check the seating before powering up. Finally, reassemble the case and reconnect power. Then boot to BIOS to confirm front panel HD audio is enabled because some boards default to AC97. After booting into your OS, install or update the motherboard audio drivers and set the front jack as the default playback and recording device. Test with headphones and a microphone to validate both output and input. If you get no sound, check the header seating first, then BIOS settings and drivers. If still failing, inspect the front panel wiring or connectors for damage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.